In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to create images from text. So assuming you have your Perplexity AI open, I'll put the link in the description. Once you log in with your account, you'll be brought in over here. So I've tested it and take a look at the prompts that I gave it. Can you create the image of a cat? And look at the one that it has given me. This is the cat that it has created for me. Very colorful, very professional, and the image is next level actually, and it's downloadable, easy to download. Can come down and you'll be able to share, download, or regenerate this if this is what you want. Now I prompted further with another question. Can you generate the image of a lion going into a wall with a donkey in the bush? And take a look at the one that it has given me. This is it. And yeah, the lion is very well drawn, professional, very real. And then take a look at the donkey. Even though the lion is much more ready for the war than the donkey, but the key thing is it picked in the idea and it generates the image I want. So this is the power of Perplexity AI. So you can try another question again. Say, can you generate the image of a cat swimming in a pool? And then we can hit on enter to this, and let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to generate. And take a look at the wonders it has generated. Very clean image of a cat swimming in a swimming pool. So this is basically how to use this AI tool to generate images from text. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.